All right. Just a quick intraday update. Yesterday, I said there was the potential on the NQ contract that we could be reaching a bottom, and we did get that very impulsive bounce off of the low and critical support at the April low. Today, we will have a very important semiconductor stock reporting earnings after the bell, and that could totally shift sentiment very quickly, especially if money starts flowing back into NVIDIA. And remember that NVIDIA is our market moving name. It has totally replaced Apple as the leader for the NQ. So if the semiconductors start to rally, I do believe there's a very good chance of this being a low and even possibly a bottom. So if we go back to the hourly chart that I gave you, I drew this arrow of a path that I did expect with high probability chance and very low risk. And right now you can also just move your risk level because we have another higher low. So the risk is becoming less and less for the bulls to continue to buy. So I do believe the buying pressure is starting to pick back up into this market, which increases the probability that was a bottom and that was a low, which is making buyers a lot more confident that they can continue to buy, because if they are wrong, they're only going to suffer very tiny losses at this point. So the risk reward for a bull is definitely there. I just want you to be aware of that before the earnings report, because things will move very quickly from here. And as I talked about last night, there is a very good chance of this just being a V-shaped recovery where we recover the losses as fast as we incurred them. So if we get the V-shaped recovery, I do expect that to play out this week. Otherwise, just continue to get risk off if we can't hold above these lows. There will be no reason to be risk on if the bears take over. And for example, if the bears break down and slice through these lows, you will want to manage risk very quickly, because then we could start to get that panic selling. Right now, I don't see the panic selling. It looks very bullish with very low risk. Again, low risk doesn't mean you're going to win. It just means you have low risk if you're wrong. And constantly continue to put yourself in those low risk, high reward trades with great probabilities, and you're going to be a very profitable trader. So good luck out there. I hope this intraday update helps you position before the end of the day. And remember, manage risk on earnings with position size. If the earnings go against you, you do not want to be out of dry powder. Always have dry powder as a trader so that you don't get caught holding any bags and your losses are controlled by your position size. So I'll continue to give intraday updates and trade ideas and my technical analysis in my Discord server. So if you want that, you can join my Discord server by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.